Yo, what's up, everybody? This is Josh and Alexis with American AF Dumpster Rentals. I always show you all the cool stuff, all the good stuff. I'm gonna show you a little bit of the bad stuff because, yeah, we're about keeping it real on this channel. Didn't even do my hair today. I got my hat in the truck, but it's super hot out here. So I'm doing a video with my hair undid. And yeah, let's enough for the talking. Let's roll that intro. Let me show you what I'm doing. Alright, so because this daggone dumpster was all at an angle, half on, half off, I'm having a heck of a time loading her. As you can see, I'm completely not on the rails. I've got that wheel sitting on the rail, this one completely off. I don't know how we got in this predicament, but yeah, this thing should not be riding there. I've also got this driveway curb that is holding me from dragging it out and at least straightening it out. So I am going to try to drop it as Alexis goes in reverse, and then I don't know, we redo it and see what we can do. So let's go ahead and see what we're doing. I'm gonna lift up a little bit more. All right, Alexis, go backwards a little bit. Keep going, keep going. Easy. Hold on. That might not work. Let's go ahead and do this. Let's give it a little more bed for it to lay on in case it slides off. All I want to do is actually push it back. All right, go ahead, reverse. Keep going. Alright, hold. Alright, we're going to try and drop it a little bit more. I can. As I go to drop it, it turns. So I'll give it a little bit more of an angle, make it drop, make gravity drop it. And that's about as far as it's going to go. I don't know what to do here. We're having a hard time. So I'm gonna drop it or lay it down. I'm gonna try and pick it up as much as I can and try to get it off the ground. All right, go ahead and reverse. Slowly. Before it hits, so I'm watching over there. Keep going. I have to hit that curve right there. Get as much weight. Keep going a little bit more. Stop. Get it as much as I can onto the bed. That does not want to get it off. I've got one wheel off. Just want to be able to get out and around this this curve right here. Now let's straighten it out a little bit. Still not in the rails, but at least I can pull it out on the street and then straighten it out. There we go. All right, here, put in park. All right, come here, record this. So basically I'm just gonna pull it onto the street now and straighten it out. correctly, I'm going to slide the truck out from under it.
They're trying to wait. Just drive all over the grass, huh? Jerk. Ah.
Back it up.
I just got a whole view of your butt crack.
Yeah, you like that?
Yeah. Y'all, it is hot as heck out here. Hopefully. Not like we've been here since 3:15.
He's doing it from that side.
Come on, muscles. Did you get it? No?
Come on this side so I can show you what I'm doing. Alright, so my biggest complaint with the Lone Star, and I made a video on this just the other day, is how this thing, lip, is super bent over. It gets bent over from just how you saw, like, depends on which way the weight is, it'll slide one way or the other. And I had it perfectly lined up, but then it slid to the left as soon as I lifted it up onto the ramps. And now it's stuck in that little and that little jagged part. So what I gotta do is, this is literally my best tool on the truck. Go over there, please. Over here, right here. It's literally my best tool on the truck. So what I do is, I'm gonna drop this down a little bit. And I'm gonna slide it over. Let me help it push it over. Just like that. See, make sure you're getting that right there.
Oh my goodness, finally. I'm right here. Look at your shirt. Inside this crazy truck. Say bye.